and celebrate Auntie Ningning on her 70th birthday. A woman of grace, wisdom, and boundless love. 70 years of a life well lived, filled with cherished memories, countless lessons, and immeasurable love. Tonight is all about celebrating her incredible journey and the legacy of kindness, strength, and inspiration as she continues to share to all of us. So let us make this evening a memorable one for Auntie Ningning. Are we in for that? Hello! Let's make this evening energy as we welcome the woman of the night who just turned, hindi lang naman, grabe pa kaya si Auntie. 70 years old! Wow, that is so amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, dili ka na ako, duga. Let us all put our hands together as we welcome our birthday celebrator, Mrs. Nelia Iskandor Raper, together with his loving husband, Mr. Jaime S. Raper, on her grand entrance. Ayan, let's all clap our hands! Wala kami nga sa palakpak, dapat a-clap full of energy! Requesting Auntie Nelia to please, diba? Dapat Auntie may pasasya o kamo ni Angkol. Pinapili mo